evaluate the integral of quantity x plus 1 over x squared dx. So let's expand first the square of the binomial. So using the formula, x plus y quantity squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So we squared the first term x, so we have x squared plus twice the product of the first and the second. So the first term is x times the second term 1 over x plus the square of the second term, which is 1 over x quantity squared. And then we simplify. So we have x squared plus, so 2x times 1 over x, we can cancel out the x. We have 2 plus 1 over x quantity squared, that's equal to 1 over x squared. And then we can distribute the integral symbol. So we have the integral of x squared dx plus 2 integral of dx plus the integral of 1 over x squared dx. So we can evaluate this integral using power rule. So power rule, integral of u to the n du is equal to u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c if n is not equal to negative 1. So the integral of x squared dx is x to the 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, or that's x cubed over 3. And then plus 2 times the integral of dx is just x. So you have 2x plus, to evaluate this integral, we apply first the negative law of exponent. So we can rewrite this as x to the negative 2, right? Then applying power rule, its integral will be x to the negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1. So that's equal to x to the negative 1 over negative 1. Or if we make the exponent positive, it's equal to negative 1 over x. Then put plus c for the constant of integration. So this is the final answer.